YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a combing video on how long you should comb your hair, when should you be combing your hair if you're wolfing, the benefits of combing. Alright, man, stay tuned to the video. Also, if you clicked on the video, that means you found it interesting. So hit that like button, subscribe. Hey man, we about to get to the clip now. Let's get it. So what's up, man? How y'all doing, bro? I'm doing great. Hopefully y'all having a good day as well. All right, man, so you see I got right into the combing. So if you're gonna start wolfing your hair, or if you're gonna start combing your hair, you wanna make sure you at least comb for 30 minutes out the day if you really wanna get like deep connections. Combing your hair a lot is essential. It helps with breaking forks, overall loosening up your hair while you're trying to wolf. So right now I am wolfing. I kind of lost count, but me knowing my skill level when it comes to this waving stuff, I can maintain my waves. I can really do what I gotta do. Also, if you're an intermediate waver, man, I really highly suggest method. It's just really I'm giving y'all tips. So that's really all it is. Giving you tips on what you need to do to make sure your waves stay on point. So again, you make sure you comb your hair. Comb your hair constantly. Make sure you really get in there. You start. It's like a brush session. You basically getting a brush session in, and then once you get all around, then you hit the crown. And then as you're hitting the crown, you just basically doing the same thing. Just repeating doing the same thing. Now, another technique is if you are an intermediate waver, you can actually comb your hair going backwards, right? Combing your hair going this way really helps break the forks. If you have forks, this is definitely gonna help you. See your boy really woofing. So the hair is there. So when you do this to your hair, all you want to do is just lay it right back down. So easy, so simple. Now why should you be doing this? Again, if you're watching this video, you are watching it to figure out how long you should comb. But I'm not just going to give you how long you should comb. I'm going to tell you more stuff you need to do. So how to comb your hair and what you need to do. So I'm gonna say it one more time. If you're wolfing, you may want to comb hair for 30 minutes. If you're wolfing, you want to make sure you comb your hair longer than that. And also the benefits of combing your hair every day. You're gonna have deeper connections. Deeper connections, more waves are gonna connect. So if you are a beginner and you start doing this, just combing your hair out every day, you may break a lot of forks starting off. Hey man, that is the end of the video. I know it was a short video, but you can see by the title, it's like how long you should comb. That's what I'm giving you boys to do after this. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you, after you're done combing your hair, you want a hard brush. After you use your hard brush, you want to get your medium brush, and then soft plastic bag, and then add your oil. This video, smash that like button, turn on post notifications if you would like to know when I'm uploading my videos. Usually I upload my videos, if you look at my thing and it says 4 days, if I haven't uploaded for 4 days, I'm gonna upload. I don't upload every day, but I am consistent. You can actually see my playlist and see how many videos I have. And all these videos for y'all, trying to drop it for y'all. So, hey man, y'all definitely stay tuned and keep coming back, cause I see y'all like it. So, all right, man. My name Marcel. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.